just as we can see, there is a man standing at the center of the compass because it symbolizes the act of making strategic choices. So this compass represents as the guide in decision making, and this man signifies the ability to be responsible in making decisions. And this one here are the indicated here are the keywords of our discussion, and this one here is the framework. So strategic selection. Just as businesses thrive by strategically selecting and scaling the right innovations, educators must focus on identifying and inventing in approaches or teaching strategies that drives into meaningful learning outcomes. Instead of spreading resources thinly across numerous methods, educators should or implement a constructed approach, or this one, choose framework. So this is an example of a constructed approach. It helps to experiment in various teaching techniques, assess their effectiveness, and prioritize those that have the highest impact. So educators must be data-driven decision-making. Continuous assessment and peer collaboration are key essentials for refining teaching practices and sustainable success. That would be all, sir.